Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by placing the combo box on the form and setting its essential properties. First, make sure your project type supports WinForms or WPF. Once confirmed, drag the control or instantiate it in code and add it to controls. Set name and drop-down style now so behavior is predictable, and set width for layout. Also decide whether users type values or pick only. Choosing drop-down list prevents typing. Finally, prepare your data source or items collection so you can populate the control immediately. Next, populate the combo box and wire selection handling. You can add items manually for small sets or call items. Add range for arrays. However, binding to a data source is cleaner for dynamic data. Set data source, display member, and value member so the control shows friendly text while keeping underlying values. Once done, subscribe to selected index changed and selected value changed to update UI or process selections. Make sure to call CB. Refresh or reset data source when the underlying list changes so the combo box stays synchronized. To finish, implement validation and polish behavior so your combo box is reliable. On form submit, check selected index or selected value and provide fallback defaults or error messages if nothing is chosen. For presentation, apply formatting either by handling format events or preparing display strings before binding. Once complete, test edge cases, empty data, duplicates, and rapid updates. If items flicker or binding fails under load, rebind safely by calling begin update, set data source, then end update. Tip: if selection disappears, reapply selected value after rebind to preserve state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.